Okay, hello. So now I would like to show you how to edit the page and changing some media such as picture or modifying text. So I will take an example for the gift page. First, you need to click on the Edit with Elementor, open a new page. It will showing you on edit mode on the front end. So if you want to change an image, just click on it and you can see on the left side, so you can replace any image you want. For example, if you have some images on media, you can just select one of them. Or if you want to upload the new one, just click upload and you can drag and drop in here. As simple as that. And how about if you want to change some letter or some script here, you just click on this edit text editor and then you can write anything on the left side here. So it will be very easy for you to edit anything, right? That's all for editing the page. Now I'm going to show you how to add drop-down menu on the main menu, something like this, right? Let's say on the events, you have like workshop, coaching, etc. Suppose you want to add one more below Auf Bali here. So you go to here. Let's say you open the events. This example to show you how to add events on the drop-down menu, right? So let's say you want to add course here. So first you have to go here on the appearance. You click on menus here, right click, open a new tab, and you will see this menu, right? So first you have to go on the custom link here, and then you can write the text over here. So in case of events of jar course, we can copy here and paste here. So this is the text, right? And then if you want to put the link on it in here, you can just go to the page that you want to redirect it. So you can see this one, click view. If you push right click and copy link address here, and you just paste here. After that, you go to add to menu here. So it will appear on the bottom, this one, jar course. Now you just need to drop and down on the under the parents events. So all of them are child menu of these events. And don't forget, every time you change anything in here, you need to click Save Menu here. Just wait a moment. So to check whether it is already updated or not, you can visit your main website in here. So after it's loaded fully, you just click on here. You can see your new drop-down link here. If you click on here, let's say in the new tab, so it will go directly into the link. As simple as that, right? So this one is for presentation purpose. So I can just delete the previous one, right? So I will just, if you want to delete, let's say your events already expired, just simple click on this drop down and click on remove here, and don't forget to save it. And you can see voila, it's gone. So you can do it by yourself. Alright, thank you for your attention. I hope it help you a lot. Bye.